What up, my boy? Back at Tacos A Go-Go for some breakfast. Look at this. Relationship status emotionally dependent on taco. I'm a taco fiend. I'm a taco fiend. So I'm gonna get the chicken burrito and the shrimp. Shrimp tacos and chicken taco. There it is right there. Nice little spot though. I'll be coming here all the time, really. Hello, can I get a chicken taco with no jalapeno sauce and
Flour or pork?
flour and shrimp taco?
On flour as well?
Yes.
Did you want jalapeno sauce on that one? No, so none on either. Alright, for yours or no?
Hey, this is my shrimp taco. It's pretty good. And then it's the chicken taco. So they do a great job. I ain't gonna lie.